Ukon jong Dr. Didi Lapang ba badaplak Robert Blah kuliah tu ba kasinang kong kata kakatsan trek unai luar hak porchpu bejim step ke balang Presbyterian Jayau kan penlong ya kajingeseng hak yang sa kebadan hala cumia. Berhadin kanian sara ekamet jong Dr. Didi Lapang syamadan student hajayau Shillong hagaban penlong ya ka state funeral ne kajingnya uburam na kalyang sorkar jela hak porchpu bejim sengi. Ubak biar bla ulong bahadian ke state funeral hagapor ar bejimen sengian IT biang cakabalang Presbyterian Jayau ban chimti ban penlong ya kejingla niam bakat do bat bantep dan burami Dr. Didi Lapang hulum jimtem kabalang Presbyterian Jayau kebadan Hajan Wiking.
Tinggal lang bat kumgayeng bat ka yu bat ka nakaliang sarkar ba ka service ngin sedang cipo boje kram ngin la ban accommodate ikapor ba kanum sap ikapor ba kanum te program tenang ni dah kala adap ka service kan take over nak ka state government ka bakin rae ka met sadu sha madan student field sha jaya hang tu kan riak ka kin conduct ka state funeral an tu hadu ka riak du aduna hadin ketua aduna bahkan simti nak biang kabalang dia bahkan pedap pedai ki bakadu ki bari de ben niam pedai hadu waking belum jingta keba nengkong kalong bai kai ngi bandai ba soret pat ka bai kai ngi kalong uso jing job de tang jing tristom but I ju sneng ju krawi ngi bat I jong ba strict ba te menjudan kata ba in ma ingin dia ben I jam mi ndre hikai ngi daga jigye bat hikai ngi jengesha bat kaju upor hikai ngi ba ni di banong ki besauret bat kebaar kalong pingi di bandai batri stam bat ban it ba yelong yela ka jong jai bre
Kadang-kadang sengi keba mengi kinong sok-nong jong kejalan Megalia ni kan mau pat ngidap ka mensim keba kia adu kata-kata hak jingbu no ya ka mensim jong former chief minister jong kejela jong Pak Didi Lapang ka contribution bat keseniang jong Iba Lapang kasdang hau sieja kendai spa hulai por bidang sya jet kumuen ki menteri jong kejela ha tu por bat nang tu sya khmat ba Didi Lapang ilalong uway u nong song snong ubalapang ndai tang ha kejela pinapai khmat sya keseniang ke jong Iba di mai balaya jantam but Prime Minister Barim Jongkari late Rajiv Gandhi ji nang tu ila beteng ya kajing syakri jong iya keseng kongres but ila tre rengkat but ke Madam Sonia Gandhi nang tu ila tre sebat Rahul Gandhi Iba Lapang ila day way uta sembut ba penpau ya kena kejela ka jumi ale sipon kita ki first time achievements ki ba Iba ila le bagi kaningin la dan dasmungu ya la jandap khandai po news nem karta ka pura ka jumi bat hadu isnem ki badang menhakini ru kajingdon jong kum uta unong sandur jong ka san perthei iklem ilo bat hakani kasngi ni ai kublai shisha yi ya kajing sengyang ki jong kat ni ya kajelang jong bat ni kermen ba ublay unda di sumari Iba yalam ni sya kata keperthai sya kawai bat keperthai paradise ka ba Iba masu ilong very deserving banyo banlay ngin yai duai na perintah ka jinjak that jong komisim ku jong bat ka sarkar kala dep mang ya kata ke state morning but hakini kilai ski kiban wan kajela kan burong ya umi urang ba ubra senyang kat ni ya ke nang kasalang ipa ikajing skolem kerwo ke pakapang sa ikong sa kikon jong iba balok kiksiyo but ngingen ba kat im ka kerteng kat sa kana dan sok ba lapang kayeng kasem jong ahi simetu di ai burong ya kajingla jong ban kan pham ya kayeng kasem jong ya ka political career jong kayeng kasem jong ni jingi don lang lukat jong ba Peter mapayang ba Robert Khaled Lindo ki ba bang kwai do rubi bat phim sim no ban batin di wat yang aru kadi kawai na ki bakam kana kan iba lapang ilong riu ubla senyang bahaya kayeng kasem ka jong ni nakaliang kayeng kasem ka jong ni do ipan pawi kita kajing sulan kajing du no ya kaneka mensim ba kontrol jong kalau don kawai ke gap ta nomor ni mudur bed ba iba lapang ilong invincible kamot umla ban klep bat ngangek ba ka kerteng ka jong ni nyai pertu akibat yang kibat
Đây ta mangi do yo nong yelam do yo states na marwat ilang dan no bas dang ka states but thai contribution jong dai tang kum minister kum chief minister but kum jo nga try hagini ki later part of his life awan dia kum ni kum bo iwan hangi ka party jong kelong ka tingker khu ham tam yo chief minister jong budang stang yo ke jing ai jing mut kini tai ke tai ke di chat jong ka jing do
kan mau menop kenduk kong beberapa
malapang tila ay kenduk iman kapor na do mga long students lo ya kenduk hi nang ta itu kapor hi long minister kini katay di man kapor beliau kolong kawai ka bang sutu nak kolong kejuk kajing ke politics kejuk kajing mut gidon judon nong sud no enemies only opponent ilu long kunta pediang lut kapor ta kawai kapor
contributed to the state as a whole, and it's a great loss for us, a loss that is almost irreparable. I had met Sir about 10 days back. I had come to his residence here, and at that time he recognized me. I communicated with him for a few seconds. Then I got the news yesterday that he was admitted in the hospital in Bethany, and I visited him at about 9 o'clock in the evening. And though I'm not sure, I think he was not able to recognize me at that point in time, but I got to see him at that moment. And after that, I got the news about an hour and a half later that he passed away. As a state government, we have declared 3 days of mourning, which is what we normally do for former chief ministers. I had some programs today in Sora, which were of course more on private nature, was not government programs. But I've cancelled all those programs today in respect of our great leader, Dr. Lapang, late Dr. Lapang. And the same time, there will be a state funeral, which will be held on Monday, approximately at about 1 o'clock. And 10 o'clock is the prayer meeting here. So the next 3 days, as I said, the mourning will be continuing, and all celebrations or any kind of official programs, large programs, have all been cancelled by the government. Sir Lapang, of course, has been a very tall figure, a person who we have all looked up to, and his relationship with my late father is something that is very, very special to me. I remember seeing him and sitting with him even in 1988 when I was a very young boy of 10 years old, when my late father was chief minister here in Meghalaya. And that was the time I first came in touch and I met, I should say, I was not a person at that level where I would have the honor of speaking to him at that age, but I met Sir Lapang and I saw him, and I have memories of him from that time onwards, from 1988. And throughout his political career, he has done so much for our state, so much for his people. And as I said, for me also, I've learned so much in his entire career. I've been watching all the different works that he has done, and it has been a great inspiration to me. Even up to his last breath, Sir was very, very, I should say, his presence of mind, his knowledge, and his overall reaction was something which was very amazing. Because I remember when I came to the house 10 days back here to meet him, he recognized, as I said, and he communicated with me, he connected with me. So I was very, very amazed to see that kind of strength and that kind of alertness that he had. So even to the last moment, he was engaging with me and communicating with me. He mentioned few things which I don't think I need to mention those with personal nature. But it's a great loss, even for not just from the state point of view, but from my personal point of view also. It's a great loss, and I express my deepest condolences to the family members, and I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to all the family members and all His followers and all His leaders to bear this great, great loss that we all have had.